Good morning, student. Welcome in Step 2 Smart Class. I am Saroja Singh Yadav. Today I will teach you Class 5th EVS subject lesson number 1, Our Earth and Our Solar System. Our Earth and our solar system is consisting of the many things. When we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. In a clear sky, we able to see the several stars. Now we discuss about what is star. The heavenly body that twinkle. Stars have their own light. Sun is also a star and it is closer to us than any other star. It appears big and brilliant. In its bright light during the day, we cannot see other stars. Various pattern formed by the different group of stars is called the constellation. The two constellations, one is a Ursa Major or the Big Bear, another is a Saptarishi or the Small Bear. How we can see these stars in a sky? See, we can see the North Star in a night time. It is mostly if we are standing in a west, if we see our east side, then we able to the North Star. Pole star is also called the North Star. North Star indicate north direction. People used to determine the direction during the night with the help of star. It also remains in the same position in the sky. Now we see the planet. Some celestial body do not have their own light and heat. They are lit by the light of the star. The word planet came from the Greek word plantia, which means wanderer. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. Solar system. Our Earth is a planet and it gets its light from the sun. It moves around the sun and its movement around the sun is called the revolution of Earth. Beside the Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolves around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path, and this path is nothing but a planet's orbit. Solar system. Actually, we should know what's a solar system. The sun, which is a star, and the planet that revolve around it are together combined form a solar system. Beside the planet, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Natural satellites. Like our moon is also one form of a natural satellite. You can see here all the different type of natural satellites in this picture. Now we see in detail the natural satellite moon. Earth has only one satellite, moon. It moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly same time to complete one spin. Result, one side of moon is visible to us on the earth. 384,400 km far away from the earth. Moon, not favorable condition for the life. It has mountain, plain and the depression on its surface. These cast shadows on the moon surface. Other heavenly body in the solar system is a satellite. Some heavenly body evolves around the planet. Satellite to get their light from the sun. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence, it is called the satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have the satellite. The planet revolves around the sun along with their satellite. Dwarf planet. There are some smaller heavenly body that revolves around the sun. Example, Pluto. It revolves independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. Asteroid. Numerous tiny bodies which move around the sun are asteroid. Found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Where this asteroid is found? This asteroid is found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. The scientists view that asteroid are the part of the planet which exploded many years back. Meteoroids. The small piece of rock which move around the sun is meteoroid. This meteoroid come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During the process of it to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometime a meteoroid, without being completely burned, fall on the earth and create a hollow. Solar system. Here, students, you can clearly see the complete solar system. In our solar system, first sun, and around the sun remaining planets are revolves. The first planet is Mercury, another is Venus, then Earth, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Pluto is coming under a dwarf planet. Look at the picture of the solar system and answer the following question. If you see this video clearly and try to understand, then you are able to give the answer of these questions. Which planet is nearest to the sun? It's very simple. You can able to give the answer. Which is nearest to the sun? Is a Mercury. At what position is the Earth from the sun? Which planet is placed between the Earth and the Mercury? Name the planet beyond the orbit of the Mars in serial order. Which planet is further from the sun? Gravity. All the heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction and a pull on one another. Sun exerts a gravitational pull on all the planets to move away from the sun. As a result of these two forces, a planet keeps revolving around the sun at a fixed distance in a fixed orbit. In the same way, satellites revolve around their planet. Due to the Earth's gravity, all the things on the Earth remains on it. Even if we throw something upward with a great force, it finally falls down on the ground. The rocket technology or the space launch technology is used for visit heavenly body in the sky. Now we will see the solar system in detail. 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Sun. Sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gas. It provides the pulling force and binds the solar system. Sun is a source of light and heat. These features actually we see earlier in our first slides also. Now Mercury. Mercury is nearest planet to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete around along the sun. Venus. Second from the sun. 6th largest planet is a Venus. It is brightest planet. Venus is considered as a Earth twins. Its size and the shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Now we will see the Earth, third nearest planet to the Sun, fifth largest planet in our solar system. It is slightly flattened at the pole. Moon is 1/6 mass of the Earth. The period of rotation is 24 hours it takes. The period of orbit is 365.25 days. It's the only planet with known for the life. Mass. Fourth planet from the Sun. Solid carbon dioxide is found at the poles. Mars is also known as the red planet. Jupiter. Jupiter is more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined and is mostly gaseous. It is about 11 times the radius and 330 times the mass of the Earth. It is the first representative of the outer solar system. Unlike the inner planet, Jupiter is solid body, but instead is a ball of and liquid, the mostly hydrogen and helium. Saturn. Saturn is a gas giant. It is strong surface wind, 500 meters per second. Saturn is a less dense than water. Its magnetic field is 20x less than the Jupiter's, but its core rotation period is 10.5 meter hours is similar. Uranus. Uranus has more moons, 15, than any other planet except Jupiter has 16 and the Saturn has 23 moons. Neptune. The blue coloration of the Neptune is probably due to the presence of methane. It has faint ring as well as the fastest wind in the solar system. India's space mission Chandrayaan. On 22 October 2008, the Indian Space Search Organization ISRO launched a spacecraft to the moon, and this mission is a Chandrayaan 1. Actually, now Chandrayaan 1, 2 and is already done. Now we see the Mangalyaan. Another Indian space mission is known as MOM. Mangalyaan. Another Indian space mission is known as the MOM or Mars Orbit Mission. It is launched on 5th November 2013. It got established in an orbit around the planet Mars on 24th September 2014. ISRO achieved this feat in its first attempt. Both these missions are unmanned. The objective of this mission is a deeper study of Moon and Mars. You can see Chandrayaan 1, 2 and Mangalyaan and other these man-made satellites you can clearly see here. Indian astronaut Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian astronaut to go in space in 1984, spent 8 days on a space station for a joint mission of the ISRO and the Soviet Intercosmos. Seeing the India from the space, he said that it looked "Sare jahan se acha." Other Indian astronaut is Kalpana Chawala and Sunita Williams. Important term you have to see space. What's a space? What is space? The emptiness between and beyond the star and planet. What is astronaut? In some mission, scientists also travel in the spacecraft that that scientist is called as a astronaut. Man-made satellite. Man-made satellite. Man-made satellite provide useful information for agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, making maps, telecommunication and searching for water and minerals, mineral wealth on the earth. They are put into the orbit around the earth. They can remain in the space for many years. Students, we can see the important points which we cover in this chapter, that sun is a star. Sun जो है वो हमारे तारे हैं. All the other bodies in the solar system get the light from the sun. And the sun and the planet, their satellite, dwarf planet and asteroid that revolves around the sun are together form the solar system. The things on the earth remains on it due to the force of gravity. To travel in a space, the earth gravitation force has to be overcome. Rocket technology help us to do so. Here our lesson, our earth and our solar system is completed. For exercise question answer, you can click on the link given in a description. Regarding the queries, you can write in a comment box. For the further notification for the videos, click on the subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.